Before I let you go, we have a round called One Shot. It's a series of question, rapid fire sort of thing.
Rapid fire.
So whatever comes first to your mind.
Yes.
Okay. You said you never saw a boy till your 12th class. So what happened in college? The first guy you ever met, what was your reaction?
Oh, boys. First time I'm seeing boys, I was like, boys.
2 million boys around you. Right. One film that changed your life when you were a kid.
When I was a kid, DDLJ.
Are you extremely romantic at heart?
Very. Hopeless romantic.
Or you never had a crush on anybody when you were growing up?
Not really.
Is that even possible?
Can't call it a crush. I never saw anybody.
I still can't take that.
You talk about real life or like movie actors and all of that also?
Real life, you know.
Real life?
But boarding school, something would have happened, no?
No. Very boring. Very geeky kid. Very nerdy. First in class. First. I used to dance. I used to do karate. I used to do art and all. I was like best in everything. Now when I look back, I was like, why did I work so hard in my childhood? I ruined my childhood. I want to be naughty. I want to go back and be naughty now.
What was your favorite subject in school?
Biology. Loved it. I got 99% in my 12th class. I was a science student. I have the shield from CBSE, highest aggregate in CBSE. 12th plus 2, I got 99.
And you've never cut a lizard or a frog into...
Yeah, because we didn't have animal dissection. That's why I left science and took up law. Because I can't handle dissection and all of that. That was the only thing that's why I think I'm here as an actress. Otherwise, I would probably be a doctor or lawyer somewhere. I can't, I'm very like gentle at heart. I can't do these things. I can't see blood.
Oh, okay. What's your biggest fear that?
Biggest fear in life generally. I'm very attached to my loved ones, so I want them to always be happy and healthy and fabulous. So just the fear of losing them is my biggest fear.
One actor that you're dying to work with? What? You're not going to offend anybody if you say a name, man. Come on.
I want to work with all of them. Yeah. I want to work with the best of the people in every industry. Really. Really, I want to have a huge body of work with the best actors, best directors, best stories, best scripts. So, yeah, not one.
If you met God one fine day, what would you ask him?
I will say thank you to him for this beautiful, beautiful life. I won't ask him anything. Everything is fantastic. He's there, he's taking care, he's giving me all I want. It's just that I'm taking time to realize. As soon as I realize what he wants, he gives me. Really.
Thank you, Pragya. It was really nice talking to you. All the best for your career ahead.
Thank you so much.
And I hope God keeps showering His love on you.
Thank you, thank you.
Right.
For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Hi, this is Sai Kripa, Strength Coach. For more videos, please subscribe to iDream.
And more videos, please subscribe to iDream Media.
Hi, I am Sirisha Reddy, fashion designer. Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For more videos, please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Hello, Nandarki Namaskaram. Nenu Getup Srinu. Please subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు. మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.